Hello again from Smart Work. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
Lavender Harvester. This isn't just farming, it's industrial aromatherapy, capturing millions of molecules with mechanical precision. Hay balers. Observe a high-tech food preservation system creating a nutrient time capsule for livestock. Rebar tying tool. Here, one worker's reach is amplified, weaving the steel skeletons hidden inside our concrete world. Bridge demolition. This isn't chaos, it's construction in reverse, a ballet of controlled physics and gravity. A log processor performs a single machine 4 jobs, turning raw timber into finished logs in seconds. Pile driver. We're not just hammering a post, we're borrowing the Earth's own mass to build foundations. Water wheel. Witness ancient physics at work, converting the simple flow of a stream into relentless torque. Rubber rolling machine. This is where raw polymer is disciplined, its molecular chains aligned into uniform strength. Paving stone weeder. A simple, clever tool proves that sometimes the most elegant solution requires no electricity at all. Industrial shredder. This isn't destruction, it's the first step in rebirth, reducing complex forms to raw material. Concrete breaker. Here, concentrated vibration becomes a weapon, shattering molecular bonds with relentless, targeted energy. Brick kiln unloading. That radiant glow isn't just heat, it's the sign of a chemical transformation. Clay made into stone. Kinetic wind sculpture. This is engineering as poetry, a dance between metallurgy, wind dynamics, and pure visual harmony. High-rise demolition. With surgical precision, this excavator defies height, carefully deconstructing from the sky down. Screen printing machine. A perfectly automated process, applying ink with a consistency the human hand could never replicate. But technology can't replace everything. This is ancestral knowledge, passed down through generations of hands. Meat slicer, a marvel of speed and consistency, turning a solid block into perfect portions through velocity. Suspended excavator. Suspended excavator. Necessity births incredible solutions, like this aerial platform for impossible-to-reach demolition jobs. Bulldozer and plow. Notice the raw power of the tracks, applying thousands of pounds of force to reshape the land. Spoon stamping. A hydraulic press delivering a sudden, immense force, stamping identity onto raw metal blanks. Container lift. This machine is a vertical elevator for global trade, lifting over 40 tons effortlessly. Roof demolition. A dangerous dance with gravity, where teamwork and timing are a matter of life and death. Circular knitting machine. Thousands of needles work in unison, weaving a seamless tube of fabric from a single thread. Tracked loader. This is the workhorse of the quarry, moving mountains one bucket at a time with diesel power. Tree harvester. A forest factory on wheels, felling, delimbing, and cutting a tree in under 60 seconds. Road roller accident. A stark reminder of the immense potential energy stored in these machines and its consequences. Vineyard sprayer boat. An ingenious solution for a unique problem. Treating vines from below to protect the fruit. Excavator attachments. The genius here isn't just the machine, but its adaptability through specialized modular tools. Roadside mower. This isn't just cutting grass, it's a mobile mulching system that clears and processes simultaneously. Tree shearer, like a giant pair of hydraulic scissors applying immense pressure to slice through solid wood. Hedge trimmer. Here, human skill and a simple engine combine to impose perfect geometric order onto nature. Power broom. Using rotational energy, this tool does the work of 20 brooms, clearing debris with centrifugal force. Feller buncher. This machine doesn't just cut, it gathers, fundamentally changing the economics of logging. Land clearing mulcher. It's a mechanical digestive system for the forest, turning dense brush into nutrient-rich mulch. Gear hobbing. Watch as a spinning cutter carves perfect gear teeth, process essential for nearly every machine. Papercraft Digit Toy. From immense machines, we return to the human hand, the original engine of all creation. Watermelon Harvest. This human chain is a triumph of logistics, a low-tech, high-efficiency system of teamwork. Rice Paddy Harvester. This machine is a marvel, harvesting delicate seedlings without damaging a single root system. Sunflower Seed Harvester. A simple yet brilliant application of friction and gravity to separate seed from flower. Gas line explosion. A terrifying display of what happens when human oversight fails in the face of volatile energy. Thread rolling machine. Instead of cutting, this machine forms threads by displacing metal, making them incredibly strong. Candy making. This is chemistry as art, manipulating sugar's crystalline structure with temperature and tension. Fabric cutter. A vibrating blade moving at high frequency, allowing it to slice through 100 layers as one. Jet engine test. This isn't just fire, it's a controlled 3,000-degree Fahrenheit explosion, turning raw fuel into pure, earth-shaking thrust. Laser etching pipe. From raw power to focused light, this laser ablates the surface, creating permanent, non-contact industrial tattoos. Painting cooling tower. Here, the canvas is concrete. Teams of painters turn these industrial monoliths into massive camouflaged works of art. Cork punching. This simple punch press is ingenious, leveraging cork's natural elasticity and structure to create the perfect traditional bottle seal. Wood carving. This isn't just whittling, it's subtractive sculpture, where every slice with that razor-sharp gouge reveals the final form. Drink chiller. We're seeing a Peltier device in action. Thermoelectric cooling that uses electricity to create a rapid temperature differential. Unloading tires. This is pure, beautiful physics. A simple pole and the force of friction are used to multiply the forklift's efficiency. Wood knob lathing. A poppy lathe. The stylus traces a master template, guiding the cutter to perfectly replicate the shape every time. Bending metal clips. This is a 4-slide stamping machine, a mechanical ballet of cams and levers bending wire with relentless, perfect rhythm. Rim table project. This is where engineering becomes high-octane art. A brake rotor, crankshaft, and rim are reborn as functional furniture. Truck tire spreader. This hydraulic tool applies hundreds of pounds of force, spreading the tire bead for internal inspection and repair. Wool processing. A fleshing machine. That spinning blade scrapes away organic material, preparing the hide for tanning without damaging the wool. Lineman pulling cable. That isn't a loose mess. He's expertly managing the cable's tension over rollers before its final high-tension installation. Forging a hub. Induction heating brings that steel billet to 2,000 degrees in seconds before a multi-ton press forges its final shape. Glass blowing. The artist uses a block, a wet wooden scoop, to shape the molten glass, using steam as a frictionless bearing. Drilling beads. Precision drilling is key here. The goal is a perfect center bore without fracturing the delicate, already finished bead. Rug tufting time-lapse. Each puff of yarn is a pixel. This tufting gun is essentially a handheld CNC machine, painting with texture. Tying rebar. This is the backbone of modern construction. That specialized tool twists the tie wire with the perfect torque in one single pull. Wood bending machine. Steam bent wood is clamped into a forming press where immense pressure holds its new shape as it cools and sets. Metal bottle opener stamping. A progressive die stamping process. A single stroke performs multiple bends and cuts to form the final complex shape. Tow truck bed. A hydraulic rollback system. It's not just tilting. The bed slides backward, creating a gentle loading angle. Splitting slate. This craftsman is exploiting the stone's natural cleavage planes. He's not cutting it, he's persuading it to split. Gemstone packaging. This isn't just bubble wrap, it's a vacuum-formed display sheet designed to hold each gem securely while showcasing.